Hi everyone, my name is Baroness Oba. I just do simple cooking. Kindly support my channel and help me to grow. And I thank you so much for coming back to my channel to cook with me. And kindly subscribe so as you can get my new updates whenever I put a new video. And as for today, we want to make something special. I know people are used to making chocolate drink, something to do with coffee drink, just tea. For today, we want to make cinnamon drink. As you can see, the sufuria is already been heated. That means I'm going to add my water directly into the sufuria. Let me increase the rate of heat to be high. I just want to make a cup of cinnamon drink. As the water is heating, I'm going to add a 1 spoonful of cinnamon into our heating water. Here, as you can see, this is our cinnamon. It is 1 spoonful. Let us add it. Kindly cook with me until the end. We see the result of our cinnamon drink. We are going to use a sieve to stir it. Actually, I prefer using 1 spoonful of cinnamon, because cinnamon, if you put it more, it appears to be very strong. It depends on how you want it to be. So as for me, I like it when it's a little bit, not even slightly conk. Yeah. Our cinnamon is already been heating, therefore I'm going just to add 2 spoonfuls of sugar into our cinnamon. And let it to cook together. It depends on how you prepare your drink. Others can eat, even if, for example, it is milk, they heat milk with cocoa together, kahawa, or tea, then they add sugar later. As for me, I prefer to eat sugar directly into sufuria for it to be dissolved very well. And I think my tea is ready, as you can see. Sorry, my cinnamon drink is ready. And let me transfer it into our cup. Therefore, now let's sip our cinnamon drink. And this is the result of our cinnamon drink. Kindly, you can try this. Bye bye for now. watch out for the next video. Thank you.